Hey friends, welcome back to Twirl Craft Studio. Today we're diving into a project that's equal parts beachy, rustic, and a little bit shiny. A candle holder made with shells, wood, and copper wire. Basically, if Mother Nature opened a craft store, this is what she'd sell. So grab your shells. You know, those ones you promised yourself you'd actually use after that beach trip. A piece of wood and some copper wire. Oh, and a candle, of course. Would you have gone with a round base or something more unexpected like a driftwood plank? Drop your vote in the comments. I might have to try it your way next time. Now for the fun part, the shells. I'm wrapping each one with copper wire, giving them a little twist so they stay snug. The great thing about copper wire is that even when you mess up, it still looks intentional. Like, oh yes, I meant to make that abstract squiggle. Honestly, if crafting has taught me anything, it's that perfection is overrated. Wobbly spirals, artistic expression, crooked shell, organic charm. Okay, so here's the funny thing. I originally pictured this looking super minimal, just shells lined neatly around the candle. But as I started wrapping and spiraling the copper wire, well, it turned into something else entirely. And you know what? I kinda love it more. Do your DIY projects ever do that? Start one way and then completely evolve into something new? Like you thought you were making a chic centerpiece, but suddenly it looks like it belongs in an art gallery? Tell me your funniest crafting plot twists in the comments. I love reading those. So now I'm embracing the chaos, making copper swirls and zigzags between the shells like little bursts of sunshine. It gives the whole piece this whimsical beach meets boho vibe. Plus, the swirls catch the candlelight beautifully. Would you go for symmetrical swirls or are you team random like me? I'm definitely team random today. Now the moment of truth. Pop in a tea light, light it up, and wow, the shells glow, the copper sparkles, and suddenly it feels like you've trapped a little sunset in a candle holder. Not bad for a few shells, a wood base, and some wire, right? So that's it. A shell, wood, and copper wire candle holder that turned out way more magical than I expected. And honestly, isn't that the best part of crafting? You never really know what you'll end up with, but 9 times out of 10, it's better than what you pictured. If you like this project, hit that thumbs up. And if you've got a pile of shells lying around waiting for their moment to shine, maybe this is it. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun, beginner-friendly DIYs, and let me know in the comments what I should make next. Maybe a matching copper and shell picture frame?